guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another haul video. Now today's haul video is going to be on the Nykaa's hot pink sale which went like few days back. And it took me a while to film this video because the parcels came quite late to me because of the lockdown situation in many of the places. But not to worry guys, because Nykaa में लगातार ऐसे सेल्स चलते रहते हैं एंड इवन आई थिंक इन द इंडिपेंडेंस डे दे आर गोइंग टू हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ सेल एंड इफ नॉट देन नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट एज मैंने जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स लिए हैं मोस्टली दे आर फ्रॉम द ड्रग स्टोर एंड जिनके डिस्काउंट्स इतने भी ज़्यादा नहीं थे एंड जितना भी था डिस्काउंट वो हमेशा चलता ही रहता है. सो यू जस्ट नीड टू कीप अ ट्रैक ऑफ द डिस्काउंट्स एंड द सेल्स गोइंग ऑन Nykaa एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम बिकॉज मैं स्टोरीज में हमेशा डालती रहती हूँ कि कब कहाँ कितना सेल चल रहा है और किस ब्रांड में चल रहा है. तो या विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू लेट्स जस्ट गेट इनटू द वीडियो. Before starting this haul video, I just want to address one issue. Guys, just give me this time. I just want 5 minutes from your time. Please watch this. Don't skip it because it's very, very important. So in my last to last video, I got one comment from some girl. You can just go and check. It's the happy day in my life where I vlogged the day. So there was some girl. She came up with a comment like, she never replies to anybody. She means I. She doesn't replies to anybody. It's her choice. Full of attitude. Okay. And in that same video, another guy commented, it's her choice. Now, it's her choice. Most of you know why it's her choice is so trending. Like, it was trending because of Neha Dhupia, ma'am. Okay, so, ये sarcastically उसने बोला उस लड़के ने, तो उसमें मैंने कुछ रिएक्ट किया नहीं. मैंने तो बस सिर्फ ये दिया उसको बिकॉज यू नो वी कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स हैव टू फेस अ लॉट ऑफ हेट. मेरा चैनल तो अभी बहुत छोटा है यार. जब और ग्रो करेगा भगवान की कृपा से तो मुझे और ज़्यादा हेट मिलेगा. सो आई एम प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट. बट what hit me hard was that girl's comment where she mentioned that I don't reply to my viewers. Now see, मैं जहाँ पे भी हूँ जितना भी कर रही हूँ इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ माई ऑडियंस. इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ यू गाइज वॉन्टेड मी टू ओपन दिस चैनल. एंड ये होता है कोई कोई यूट्यूब में फर्स्ट आता है, कोई कोई इंस्टाग्राम में फर्स्ट आता है. मेरे लिए मैं इंस्टाग्राम में ज़्यादा थी पहले से एंड माई व्यूअर्स माई ऑडियंस देयर वॉन्टेड मी टू ओपन यूट्यूब चैनल. सो दैट्स वाई आई डिड इट एंड इट्स ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ यू गाइज दैट आई एम क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट. नाउ शी इज सेइंग दैट आई डोंट वैल्यू माई व्यूअर्स, आई डोंट रिप्लाई माई व्यूअर्स. सो I replied to her comment just because of that statement, not because she said that I am full of attitude. She is like, I don't reply to my viewers. Now guys, see, if you go and check my past 5 to 6 to 7 videos, I have tried replying in every single buddy. But you know, most of the times it's not possible to reply every single one on every single video. Like in the past, like months ago, I was very irregular in doing so, but these days, like since a month or two, I am trying to, you know, address and I'm trying to reply you guys. And then she come up with a word like, I am very rude, I'm having an attitude problem, because I said in that very video I was wearing a hoodie and did a photo shoot. If you guys didn't check, go check it out. Link मैं दे दूंगी. Okay, so मैंने उस टाइम पे बोला था कि guys, it's very hot here, मैं हुडी पहनी हुई हूँ एंड प्लीज डोंट कम अप विथ कमेंट लाइक गर्मी है तो क्यों पहनी हुई हो. मैंने इसको पहना है बिकॉज मेरा मन है. And I was like a bit fast in what I was saying. So I don't know why she felt like मैंने बोला कि मेरा मन है, इसमें मैंने बहुत एटीट्यूड शो किया, मैंने बहुत रूट साउंड किया. Really? If so, then I'm really sorry. But मैंने सिर्फ यही बोला कि मेरा मन है इसलिए मैंने हुडी पहना है. And guys, please don't come up with comments. I use the word please. I was not any way rude to my audience. But she was rude to me. She's saying that if somebody is trying to correct you, then take it in a constructive way and learn from it. But she didn't try to correct me. She could have said like, okay, dear, this is this, this is that. I didn't feel that this is a very appropriate sentence to use. You should correct it. And she's like, oh, it's a choice, full of attitude and this and that. This is not the way you talk to people. This is not the way you suggest someone to do something, right? I need your views on this. Please guys comment down below and let me know if I am wrong in any way, because I said मेरा मन है. I was just being transparent with you guys. I cannot fake things, but I was not rude. But if you still feel that, I am asking you guys, if you feel that I was rude, please do comment down below and let me know, because this is a very very important issue for me. I am really sorry if for that anybody is hurt. If me saying कि मेरा मन है इसलिए मैंने पहना है, and please don't come up with such comments, if that hurts anybody, then I'm really really sorry. But please do let me know, and if you want, do go check that video and check that comments too if it's still there. I don't know if she deleted it or not, and you can go and check. So yes, let's just start with the haul. Alright guys, so first of all, I'm gonna start with my skincare product which I got in the haul, and most of them, like all of them are my restocked ones, because these are my absolute favorite. For those who cannot get all of the things, I am going to suggest you 1 or 2 items which you surely should get. Alright, so yeah, so the first product which I have is this one from the Beauty Co. This is their Cucumber Skin Toner which tightens pore and it's rejuvenating. This is the product. This is not the first time when I'm buying this product. This is, I don't know how many times I got it, but I really like this toner, and it has a very flowy consistency. See, it's like full watery. It is like full watery. And you know, it is a cucumber toner. Cucumber is very very important for refreshing your body. It is a 200 ml product guys. It is that huge, and it retails for only 400 rupees. एंड ये 400 में तो नहीं, आपको बहुत ही कम अमाउंट में मिल जाएगा ये. एंड दिस इज वेरी वेरी सूदिंग फॉर योर स्किन. ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दैट गाइज. दिस इज लाइक, I don't know. I mean, it is my second bottle and I'm using it for like months. Like months. ये खत्म ही नहीं होता है चीज़. ये बहुत ही अच्छा है guys. If you are looking for a very nice good toner in a budget, then you should definitely give this a try. Now, secondly, I got this one from The Body Shop. The Body Shop's Vitamin C Glow Revealing Liquid Peel. Now this is a peeling solution. It is a bit strong, so if you're having a sensitive skin, I do have a sensitive skin, but my skin is used to this, so I use it. Like, it works so well on your skin guys. If you're having pigmented skin, I am having a pigmented skin, because recently if you see that I have one pimple right here, like this area, and especially this area was filled with pimples few days back. I don't know, for some reason I got some allergic reaction to some product, and then pimples everywhere. I have treated the pimples. Now there were a lot of spots which are still I'm still treating, but they have faded a lot, and this product has helped so much. And it is a liquid peel. It's not like your skin will peel off, but you will, when you scrub it, you will feel that the dead skin cells are coming out. But it's a bit on the pricier side. It retails for 1995 rupees, but it is an investment guys. So if you can afford this, if you have that budget, then definitely give this a try. Like, in this video I am only suggesting products which actually works. It actually works guys. Now the third product which I got is the Innisfree Super Volcanic Clay Pore Clay Mask. Now this is my absolute favorite mask guys. I cannot stress more on this. मैं एक बार के यूज में ही मैंने इसको डर्टी कर लिया. Okay, this is the Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask, and if you are following me since a while, then मैंने एक स्किन केयर वीडियो भी बनाया था, उसमें मैंने ये शो किया था. दिस इज माई एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट. वाई? इट इज सो इट मतलब इसका नाम जो है ना, वो वही काम करता है. ये आपके पोर को ना क्लियर बना देगा, एंड इट हैज सच अ कूलिंग सेंसेशन. I love this. I don't know how many times I'm saying that I love this, but you guys know, right? I'm so obsessed with this little thing. And ये आपका बहुत ज़्यादा चल जाएगा. ये आपको छोटा दिख रहा होगा, लेकिन अंदर के पार्ट में ना ये ऐसा नहीं है कि ये हाफ है, ये पूरा filled रहता है. Now the fourth product which I got is from the Beauty Co. This is their Glow Mask peel off activated charcoal glitter marks. Now this is something which I'm buying for the first time, which I said that one product I got for the first time. So this I never used, so this is I'm using for the very first time. And why I got it I don't know, like I really liked it. This is how the product looks like. So can you see, it's so nice and glittery. Will look somewhat like this once you apply it on your skin, and after some time, you know, it will just get dried off, and then you just have to peel it off. Now I won't suggest you to get this, guys, because I haven't used it like yet. This is my first buy, and iska jo quantity hai, that is also very less, and it is not very affordable even. This is, it retails for 750 rupees. So हाँ, sale में मिल गया था मुझे, but I won't recommend this really. So now the fifth item which I got is, it's from the Body Shop Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Solution. This is my fifth or sixth bottle, and I don't know why I stopped using it. Like back then, like a year ago, or maybe more than a year ago, I really had bad acne on my face and the pigmentation was worse. That time someone suggested me to use this one, and it worked like magic, guys. This is a magic solution. I will just show it to you. This is how it looks like. This is filled right now, it is like new, and I don't know why I stopped using it. Maybe because it worked so well and my all spots got cleared, and then I stopped using it because, you know, there is no need of using it anymore, because you just cannot use it on your bare skin. If you're having a bare skin and no pigmentation, nothing, then I don't think that you should use it, because it's strong and it's also very soothing. You will, you know, it has a tea tree smell in it, and it has a very flowy consistency. It's not at all, you know, thick. Just look at it. Can you see how flowy it is? This is how the product is. Oh my god, it has such a cooling sensation, guys. Just see. Oh, very watery, very flowy, and not at all thick. Retails for 1,500 rupees, but guys, if you want to do good to your skin, you need to invest at least this much. Like, trust me, just trust me and use it for a month or two, and you will thank me. मतलब इसको मैंने यूज करना बंद कर दिया था because इसने अपना काम कर लिया था, and it worked so well for me. Now I got it again. Why? Because I told you I recently got few acnes, and उसका pigmentation अभी भी है. You should definitely give this a try if you want to actually get rid of your, you know, acne scars and the pigmentation. Last but not the least, from my skincare section, which is my absolute favorite, it is the Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum. अगर आपने मेरा लास्ट नायका का जो एंड ऑफ सीजन सेल देखा होगा, तो उसमें भी मैंने इसको दिखाया है. I so love this product, guys. This is such a genuine product. आप इसको रात में लगा के सो जाओ, बस सुबह उठ के आपका स्किन जो है ना, it will feel like baby soft and so smooth. This is a magic potion, guys. This is a magic potion. It is slightly on the pricier side. If you have that budget and you want to invest on your skin, please do give it a try. It has you know, various quantities and shapes. आप अगर पहले यूज कर रहे हो, like first time, then छोटा वाला ले लो. That retails for 1,200. You can get that one, because पहले जो मैं यूज कर रही थी, like for the first time when I was using this one, मैंने वो छोटा वाला ही लिया था. This is not like the full size even. It is like इससे भी ज़्यादा दो बड़े sizes है, like they are like super costly. But yes, if you have that budget, you can definitely invest on your skin. A magic potion. When I say this, just believe me, it is a magic potion. So now moving on to the makeup section. So the first thing which I got is a foundation from L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, and I'm in the shade 104. You can see it right over there. Now it is a demi matte finish, airtight, oil-free 30 ml product. So it is like a demi matte. It is not like fully matte. It has some sort of sheer finish in it, but yes, it gives you a good finish. It's not very matte, it's not very sheer, which is like absolute perfect. And if you are somebody with my skin tone, you can give this one a try. This is the shade 104 Golden Beige. So secondly, I got this foundation from MAC. It is in the shade NC40, and this is not for me, this is for my brides. Like, this is a bit darker shade. I have a lot of MAC shades because I do bridal makeups as well. So ये वाला shade खत्म हो चुका था. Now this shade is something which goes with like most of the darker skin tone or duskier skin tones, because ये रहा ना तो आप mix and match कर सकते हो. आप कोई lighter shade के साथ इसको mix कर सकते हो, इसको किसी और darker shade के साथ mix कर सकते हो, या फिर इसी को सिर्फ use कर सकते हो. So next up I got this one from Miss Claire. Yes, Miss Claire. This is the Miss Claire eyeliner. It is in the shade Pearl and it is very affordable price guys. बहुत ही कम दाम में आपको ये मिल जाएगा और बहुत ही सही वाला प्रोडक्ट है guys. Just look at the pigmentation. If you want that dramatic, you know, eyeliner and or glitter on your eyeshadow or on this part of your eye, then definitely give this a try guys. This is a very cheap, I tell you. So next up I have one lipstick from Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Madras Kapi. So ये मुझे पैकेजिंग इतना पसंद आया ना, like I did not even open it from here just to shoot this video. I just kept it like that. मैंने इसको मिनी में लिया था बहुत दिनों पहले एंड मिनी वाला मेरा बहुत लंबा चल गया था. सो वो ख़त्म हो गया तो मैंने सोचा लाइक आई शुड गेट दिस फुल साइज्ड वन, बिकॉज मैंने वो कलर इतना यूज़ किया, मुझे वो शेड इतना पसंद आया. लाइक दिस इज 05 Madras Kape. दिस इज अ 5 ml प्रोडक्ट. स्वॉच दिस वन फॉर यू. इन माई लास्ट Nykaa haul video someone commented like I should swatch it even, so I thought like yes I should. It was not there in my mind that I should swatch this. So yeah, this is the shade. Isn't it beautiful? It is a matte finish liquid lipstick, so it will just dry off after some time. Now if you are someone who doesn't like dry lipstick like me, but I do use drying lipsticks, how you have to apply one lip balm and then just apply like let it get absorbed, let your lips become a little bit more soft and plumpier, and then you should apply it. So next up I have another lipstick from the same range, but this is their mini version. So this is my first time I'm using it. It is in the shade Gul. It is the Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the mini version in the shade Gul. Now I haven't tried this product, so I just got it in the mini size so that I can try it, and if I like it I'll go on with the big size. So this is the exact shade guys. Just look at it, how beautiful it is. It is a nude pink. It is not a very proper pink. It is a nude pink. This looks absolutely stunning on your lips, I tell you. So if you want, you can give this a try. It retails for like not more than 200 rupees. It is a chotu sa mini sa, like it is like this much product, but it goes on for long. Like every day, so you won't use a lipstick like that, right? Every single day. You can give this a try guys, because ये जो Madras Kape का था ना मेरा, ये छोटा वाला ही था. ये मेरा like it went on me for months, and मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा lipsticks use कर सकती हूँ. Like ये बहुत लंबा चल गया था. So yeah, these are the two shades from the Nykaa Matte to Last lipstick. So I have another lipstick which is my absolute favorite. Oh my god, this is the Smashbox in collaboration with Shobita Dhulipala. So this is their collaboration with Shobita Dhulipala. This is a Smashbox mini lipstick duo, and this is the product which was only there for the sale, and it's no more available now, so I'm really sorry guys. But you can, if you like this shades, you can get it in the bigger size. It is like in the pricier side. Smashbox lipsticks retails for around 2000 rupees, and this mini box with this duo I got it for 990 rupees only. And the shades guys, oh my god, I'm freaking out. I'll just show it to you. Now this is the Gulabe and this is Bossy, and I'm going to swatch it for you guys right now. So this is the shade Gulabe. Like, can you see? Oh my god, it is so pretty guys. So pretty. As this shade is no more available, you can get it if you want. You can get it if your budget supports. You can get it in the fuller size, which retails for 2000. And if not, I think this is very similar to this one, like not properly but very similar. You can mix these two to get this shade also. So if your budget doesn't support you to get this one, then you can just get this one and use a little nude, this type of a nude to mix and match and create a mauvey shade like this. And now talking about this, I cannot express, like, this is so good, guys. This is the lipstick that I'm wearing right now. If you guys are wondering what I'm wearing on my lips, this is the exact shade which I'm wearing right now. This is such a lovely shade, guys. This is the Bossy. I'll even swatch it for you once. Loved it so much. Now if your budget supports, I would really recommend you go and get the fuller size, which retails for like 2000 rupees. Now see guys, I also have used the MAC Ruby Woo, but I would say the MAC Ruby Woo is really overhyped and it doesn't do the work which I wanted to do. MAC Ruby Woo didn't give me that shade or that color which I was, you know, dreaming of. But this shade, guys, I searched for it so much, and I had no idea that I'll get it like this. MAC Ruby Woo retails for 1700 rupees, which is like सिर्फ 300 रुपये ज़्यादा है इस मैच बॉक्स का, एंड इट विल डू अ ग्रेट जॉब लाइक दिस. जस्ट लुक एट द कलर गाइज. Okay, let me just stop talking about it. If you want, then please do give it a try. मैं link नीचे provide कर दूंगी आपको, जो भी लेना आप ले लेना. On I got this mascara from the Too Faced. It is the Too Faced a Better Than Sex mascara, and it is their miniature version. मैं सब कुछ पहले अगर कोई high end try करती हूँ ना, मैं try करती हूँ कि मैं miniature version लूँ and फिर उसको try करूँ. Now this packaging is so good. This is like a matte finish, and it is more like the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Voluminous Lash Paradise. It also smells the same. I don't know for what reason. So if your budget doesn't allow you to get this one, then you should definitely give that L'Oreal one a try. मैं उसका भी link नीचे दे दूंगी. That one I have it already. So yeah, its packaging, its smell, the texture, everything is like the same, like almost the same. If your budget supports, then आप ये ले सकते हो. ये मैंने छोटा वाला लिया हुआ है, आप छोटा वाला भी ले सकते हो, बड़ा वाला भी ले सकते हो. And if not, then my hand. If not, then you can get the L'Oreal Paris one. For next up, I got a bronzer from Wet n Wild. It's their Color Icon bronzer. ये मेरे पास ऐसे ही टूटा फूटा आया है, पता नहीं क्यों. Like I was so much excited about this because, and oh god, my heart breaks. Just look at it, guys. It is totally broken. Oh, let me just close it. I'll try to fix it with a rubbing alcohol. This is a very nice shade which goes on for fairer skin tone also and for duskier skin tones also. So if you want a nice affordable bronzer, Wet n Wild is a very affordable, you know, very affordable brand. So आप ले सकते हो, मैं लिंक फिर से नीचे दे दूंगी. और नेक्स्ट अप आई गॉट दिस वन फ्रॉम मैक. सो दिस इज द मैक एक्स्ट्रा डायमेंशन स्किन फिनिश highlighter. Now this is something which I got again for my brides, and if you want to get, you can also get it for yourself. Now this is this is like a 3D effect, guys. I'll just show it to you. Just see here, you will see it as pink, and here it's golden, and it is a golden shade actually. So this one is for my brides. I'll just swatch it for you once. This is a golden highlighter. Oh my god, it is so pigmented, guys. Just look at it. And it justifies what the, you know, name suggests. It is skin finish, because if you just do it, it just gets mixed into your skin so well. It doesn't, you know, has any lines visible. It is very, you know, gets mixed very quickly. So if you are going to for any wedding, for any functions like that, you can definitely give this a try. It is basically on the higher side. If your budget suggests, then you can get your hands onto this one. And it is in the shade Beaming Blush. If your budget suggests, then you should definitely give this a try, because ये highlighter एक ऐसा highlighter है, मैंने पहली बार देखा है कि आपको इसको ज़्यादा blend, मतलब इतना ज़्यादा blend नहीं करना पड़ता है. आप इसको मैंने तो उंगली से लगाया, इसलिए लाइन आया था. आप जब इसको एक ब्रश के मदद से इसको आप ऐसे लगाओगे ना, it will naturally get mixed into your skin, like, so you don't need to work hard for it. It will just look like your skin. Next up, I got this fixing spray from MAC. This is their MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus Gold Light. So MAC के जो ये फिक्सिंग स्प्रेज है, ये पहले नॉर्मल मैट में था, बट अभी इनके बहुत सारे सारे शेड्स मतलब आ गए हैं. इट इज़ लाइक गोल्ड लाइट फॉर दैट गोल्डन बीमिंग फिनिश. सो इट इज़ लाइक प्रेप प्लस प्राइम. सो आप इसको एज ए प्राइमर यूज़ कर सकते हो, एज प्रेपिंग यूज़ कर सकते हो बिफोर योर मेकअप. आप इसको एज ए सेटिंग स्प्रे भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. लाइक इसको ऐसे घुमाना घुमाना होता है, इसको ये ऐसे इधर आएगा एंड यू विल जस्ट spray it all over your face and you will let it dry. You will let it dry and it is so good. It smells awesome. I tell you. मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही स्प्रे कर लिया है, लेकिन when it gets dried, I tell you, when it gets dried, it will give you that beaming finish. Like आपने हाइलाइटर अप्लाई किया हुआ है एंड उसके ऊपर अगर आपने ये यूज़ कर लिया एंड आप शादी में जा रहे हो ना, दुल्हन को शायद कोई ना देखे, दुल्हन के बाद आपको ही देखेंगे सब. Like you will shine bright. See this area? I haven't used highlighter on this area. I just use it here a bit. And the shine it's giving me, oh my god, it is worth every penny I paid. Guys, that's it about the haul. मैंने इतनी ज़्यादा चीज़ें इस बार नहीं ली है. मैंने वही ली है जो मुझे ज़रूरत है. So, and even I have, recommended you few items which you should definitely get. You will thank me later, guys, in the skincare section. Everything which I got is for my skin concern right now, the pigmentation and that. If you have that also, then you should definitely give this product a try. Like every single product I got is so important. Now, आप सब नहीं ले रहे हो तो फिर आप वो बॉडी शॉप का एंटी इम्परफेक्शन वाला ले लीजिए एंड वो बॉडी शॉप का जो पील है ना वो ले लो, और मास्क जो है इनिसफ्री का वो ज़रूर ले लो. ये 3 चीज़ें आपको मतलब लेना ही लेना है. दीज आर लाइक होली ग्रेल प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड इन केस ऑफ मेकअप, यू विल वेरी रेयरली सी मी वेयरिंग अ रेड लिपस्टिक, गाइज. मैं आप आज रेड लिपस्टिक पहन के आप लोग के एड्रेस कर रही हूँ. लाइक आई सो इन लव विद दिस. ये रूबी वू से भी बेहतरीन है. इफ़ योर बजट अलाउज यू देन गो फॉर दिस वन. दिस इज द बॉसी फ्रॉम स्मैश बॉक्स. मैं लिंक नीचे दे दूंगी, आप इसको ज़रूर ट्राई कीजिए इफ़ योर budget suggests you or allows you. एंड उसके बाद मैं मेकअप में आप लोगों को लिपस्टिक्स में ही सजेस्ट करूँगी. जो मद्रास कापी है वो बहुत ही मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एंड फॉर द मस्कारा मैंने आज टू फेस का लिया है. आप लॉरियल पेरिस का वॉल्यूमिनस स्लैश पैराडाइज यूज़ कर सकते हो, वो भी मैं लिंक नीचे दे दूँगी. आई थिंक बोथ ऑफ दीज आर लाइक क्वाइट सिमिलर, सो आप वो ले सकते हो. एंड इन केस ऑफ मैक, अगर आप एक बीमिंग फिनिश चाहते हो देन यू शुड डेफिनेटली गेट दैट हाईलाइटर अलॉन्ग विद दैट a prep plus primer. Like, can you see the glow my face has right now? ये कुछ देर पहले ये glow नहीं था. Like it has all dried. Like I'm tapping it, still the glow is there. Oh god, I'm so happy that I got these products. Miss Claire का जो eyeliner है, it is a holy grail product in such a nice affordable price, guys. So guys, that is it about this video. If you like this video, hit on that like button and please do subscribe to my channel, because I am like very into it. I am doing my best for creating good content for you guys, coming up with good products for you guys. So if you like this video, then please do subscribe and share it with your friends.